Ciao Tesla people, today I need to fix again some rim case on the wheel, on the front left wheel. So I'm going to do this change and you'll see what happens. So basically I went through, if you see here, I think you can see here, I went through a pothole and I lost one. A pothole in a parking lot, and I didn't thought it was too deep. I mean, I didn't see it, and instead it was pretty deep, and it scratches the rim case protection here. Basically, teared away one, actually broke it here, you see, and this one is too damaged. So I need to fix this. It scratched a little bit. Oh no, this is just tape. Okay, good. So the tape protection worked here. So I'm going to change that too. Remove some of the tape. Oh, so this is the rubber behind the stretching. Let me put you here so you can see. Yep. Okay. So I need to replace this guy and remove that. So I have some tools here. Let's hope that these are enough. Yep. Okay. One. And you see it has some rubber here in the back. And then let me replace this guy. Yeah, this is broken too. And I can replace some of this plastic too. Let's see if I can remove it. Okay, so the rim is actually not damaged at all. This is just the dirt and the tape that is on top of it. I don't know if I want to remove it, all of it. Yeah, I don't need to. So let me take this too. Now I'm going to put it in. I have to remove the, if I remember correctly, that's the most painful thing of this operation. It's just to remove the double tape. Yeah. Yeah, that's the painful thing, is to remove the 3M red cover from the double tape. It takes a bit of time, and actually it's just a waste of time too. Yeah, okay, I got one. Okay, great. And okay, let's get the other one. So I basically was parking in a parking lot, and it was raining, not much, but the ground was wet, and I went through a bump, and then after the bump there was some water on the ground, and I thought it was nothing. Instead I went through a pothole. It wasn't even too deep. Probably was, a bit deeper than this. It was a big the big section of the road was not the road, the road inside the parking lot was covered with water, so I couldn't see it, and most likely the pothole was large as much as the car. So most likely they were doing construction, or they were fixing the road or something, I don't know. And so I couldn't avoid it, okay? The thing is, sorry, but it's taking more time to remove this red tape than to place the cover. Okay, so let's I'll do it from here. So you just plug like this in the back, and then you push it, and that's it. And that's how you fix it. So let me clean the other one. You see, it took me like 10 minutes to remove the red thing. Okay, I got one, and let's do the other one. Let's see if I'm lucky this time. Not really. So I could avoid it, and I went through it and catch this side and a bit of the other side, but it didn't. It just scratched. It just scratched these covers, but it didn't do any major damages that I need to replace them. So I'm just changing this one for now, and maybe if I maybe other day I'll see if I need to replace those guys. For now, no. So that's good. As I mentioned, it takes longer time to remove this it's very sticky. Okay, got it. Nice. Okay, so now this one is a bit more, so I could fit this one right away, and this one goes the same way, but I need to pull out this guy. Okay, so flex it, let's say. You see? And this one goes on top. So I need to flex this guy. So this guy goes on top, and we have that. And then when I flex the other one, I need to put it underneath. Yeah. Okay. Actually, let me do this. Or maybe, let's see if I can do it the other way around. I want to do it fast because it's coming to rain, and I want to catch. Okay, this one is done. Okay, this is a bit trickier because I need to flex this other side. Maybe this one is too it flexed too much. Yeah, maybe this guy. There it is. And that's it. Okay? So you have to flex it to fix it. And and that's it. The fix is, it's pretty fast. And these are the other ones, you see? Broke on this side here. And this one is splits. And I had to throw away. Okay. That's it. So it fixed right away. Maybe it's a bit damaged here too. But for now, it's good. So, that was a pretty easy fix. As I mentioned, these things are very sticky, so it takes a bit to remove them. But it took me like maybe 5 minutes. So it's not a very hard thing to do. And done. This one, there's no damage in the back. Yeah. Let me see. I want to see if there are damages on the other side. There are some plants here. Let me see. Maybe, no, some scratches right there, I think. Yeah, let me go to check it out. I think there are some scratches. Maybe one piece came out. one section. Let's check it out. Here, you see, this piece came out and this one came out. So let's see if I can fix it without killing myself. I'll put you down here and let's see if I can. That's it, and it's fixed. Yep. I think this is broken. I'll fix it another time. And let's see this guy here. So you flex this guy, and that's it. Nice. So I need to fix next time this guy. Just one. So the rim protection, rim case worked. Nice, I like that. I like when products, they just work without any issue. And see again, this is broken in half. You see it splits. And this other guy, it just broke. And I have the other pieces, I lost it. Anyway, it was a very easy fix. I'm going to put all the information about the rim case again on the description. Here is the package. I have a spare one so that I can do these fixes. And very easy to fix it. They protect your rims. And very cool. I'm pretty happy. In the meantime, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.